I want to tell you a story about a very small little company that set out to build wrist cameras for surfers. I want to tell you the story about this little wrist camera company. I want to tell you about GoPro.
It is day 4, we're at Enza Beach. The swell is looking mint. Get into it.
Rinse, rinse.
That is good.